Hi DIY friends, I'm Stephanie and I'm so excited to show you how to install Spoonflower's Prepasted Smooth Wallpaper. Did your heart just drop down to your toes? Never fear, the reality is whether you're a beginner or a wallpaper guru, Spoonflower has made this process easy and fun. So you got this. Now let's transform a space. A few things to know before we get started with the installation. Due to varying repeat sizes, Spoonflower recommends ordering the same length rolls to avoid rolls being mismatched. Spoonflower wallpaper is printed on demand, created for the DIY user, and is designed to overlap. We print an additional ½ inch down the right side of the roll so that the second panel can be overlapped on top of the first. All rolls of the same length print identically. It is unlikely that the wallpaper will line up with the door and window panels during installation, so Spoonflower does not include doors and windows in calculating the amount of wallpaper needed. Definitely consider ordering a test swatch before placing a full order to ensure the design is exactly what you want for your space. If you're going to paint before installing your wallpaper, please be sure to let the paint cure for a full 4 weeks before installing Spoonflower's Prepasted Smooth Wallpaper. The first step is to determine the number of wallpaper rolls needed. Choose your design and order your wallpaper. To install your Prepasted Removable Smooth Wallpaper, you'll need the following: your Prepasted Removable Smooth Wallpaper, a utility knife, 1 paint roller, 1 sponge, the instructions included with your order, painter's tape, drop cloth, a bucket of clean water or a paint tray if using a paint roller, a table or hard surface for laying out your wallpaper. Step 3 is preparing your wall for the surface you'll be wallpapering. Before applying any wallpaper, ensure your wall is smooth, clean, and dust-free. Patch any damaged areas of the wall, especially where the sharp edges might pierce or tear the wallpaper. For best results, apply wallpaper to a surface that is a solid, light color. Again, it's really important to allow recently painted or primed walls to cure for 4 weeks prior to installing wallpaper. Applying wallpaper over uncured paint can lead to bubbling. The next step is to prepare your wallpaper. Unroll each strip on a hard, flat surface, print side down so that they face the same way. The top of the strip has no white space, and the bottom has a narrow line of white space labeled with any barcode information. Do not trim any part of the wallpaper before hanging. Using a paint roller, thoroughly wet the entire surface area, especially the corners and edges, with water. If you are hanging a lot of panels, your water may get cloudy. Be sure to change it out frequently. Quick pro tip: while the wallpaper rolls are numbered, you do not need to install them in any particular order. It is simply to notate the quantity of items in your order. Once the adhesive is wet but not soaked, gently fold the top and bottom of each piece, sticky side together, to meet in the middle. Set the wallpaper aside for 3 to 5 minutes to activate the adhesive. This process of folding the wallpaper to activate the adhesive is called booking. You'll get the best results by hanging all the wallpaper at the same time. Be mindful not to crease the wallpaper. This is because the panels shrink slightly as they dry, which can make matching seams difficult if one strip has dried before the next strip is applied. Beginning with the upper left corner of the wall, pick up the first strip and unfold the top half of the book. Leave the bottom edge booked. Step back and make sure everything is aligned. After the paper is in position, unbook the bottom half of the strip and smooth downward with a damp sponge. Pick up the second strip of wallpaper and apply it so that the left side overlaps the right side of the previous strip by approximately ½ inch. Visually match the repeat. Make sure you don't trim the ½ inch overlap. Quick pro tip: if you're wallpapering around a window or door, hang the wallpaper normally and trim the excess that covers the window, but wait until the wallpaper has dried to trim the molding. Continue wallpapering from left to right, aligning each new strip over the strip to its left by ½ inch. Let your wallpaper dry completely, which takes about 3 hours. Then, with a sharp utility knife, trim the extra wallpaper at the bottom of the wall, window molding, or the doors. Wipe the walls with a damp sponge to remove excess adhesive. To uninstall Spoonflower's Prepasted Removable Smooth Wallpaper, start at the corner of one roll and gently peel back from the wall. If the wallpaper is being stubborn, use a damp sponge to reactivate the adhesive to allow it to release more easily. Once the paper is removed, the wall can be wiped down with a damp sponge to clear up any remaining adhesive residue. Now pat yourself on the back. You're the newest member of Spoonflower's community of creatives. Don't forget to take some photos of the space you just beautified and post them on social. Tag Spoonflower and share this video with all your DIY friends. You can also follow me at Casa Watkins blog. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about Spoonflower's Prepasted Removable Smooth Wallpaper. Have a great day!